Hi everyone, Jack from 英作文会話 Community here again. 最近レッスンで I like to cook と I like cooking の違いについて聞かれました。この質問に対してこう答えました。There is no difference. I personally prefer cooking, but there's no real reason for that. でも、この答えでは生徒さんは納得していなかったように見えました。なので、レッスンの後、YouTube のビデオやホームページでこの2つの文の違いについて調べましたが、細かい説明を聞けば聞くほど、ものすごく厳密には違いがあるとしても、実用的な違いはないという確信が強くなりました。でも、これは私の個人的な意見かもしれないとも思ったので、今日はアメリカ人の友達、ダンケンに協力してもらって、彼の意見も聞いてみたいと思います。Let's get started. All right, so we're here with my friend Duncan from America. Thanks so much for helping me out, Duncan.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so I have a question I want to ask you. And I often get this question from students, and that is, what is the difference between the sentence, I like cooking and I like to cook?
That's a difficult question.
Yeah, right?
I don't know. Can you give me another example?
How about the example, it started raining and it started to rain? What's the difference for you between those two?
I think they're the same.
Yeah.
me.
So would you say like even if you say like in our previous example, right, cooking and to cook is the same as raining and to rain, right? It's the same grammar. So
Yeah.
when I heard that question, my feeling was they're the same and you can use either one in any situation.
Yeah, they're the same. The only
Yeah.
reason I was overanalyzing, I think, with my answer for cooking.
Yeah.
How I do.
If I say, "Oh, I really like to cook," right? Or I say, "Oh, I really like cooking."
It would be the same, exactly.
Yeah, you have the same like nuance. You're not going, he said cooking, so there's this very small difference between saying cook, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I think it's the same. I only thought about it too hard because it was a question.
Yeah.
Right.
Very cool. Thank you so much, Duncan, for helping.
Of course. Thank you.
Yeah. ということでした。ネイティブにとってこの2つのフレーズには違いはありません。文法にこだわりすぎてしまう人はどうにかして使い分けるための違いを調べると思いますが、ネイティブはそれに関しては気にせずに使います。この動画をクリックしてくれた人は文法を頑張っている人なんですね。それは素晴らしいことなんですが、たまにそれが学習の邪魔をすることがあるんです。文法にこだわりすぎないで、もっと気楽に会話を進めれば、もっと文法を肌で感じることができると思います。会話を続ければ、ネイティブがどちらを使っているかもわかりますので、自分のスタイルも決まっていくと思いますよ。And that's the video! 英作文会話 .com で私のプライベートレッスンを予約できます。入会金不要で最初のレッスンは半額ですので、ぜひ一度レッスン受けてみてくださいね。But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!